Hey, what's up guys, it's Jonathan here. So I wanted to make this really short video to discuss Tesla stock and its recent activity. So last week we saw Tesla stock fall about 13%. And a lot of people think that the reason for this was because of the overall market's downcline. Other people think it is because of the sharp downcline in the value of Bitcoin. But I think there's another catalyst that might have played into this as well. And I think it's something that nobody has talked about yet. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about about some of the catalysts that people have mentioned, and also the catalyst that I'm looking at too. The catalyst that the overall market fell a lot last week is a fair argument. Because Tesla makes up such big portions of these different indexes, it would make sense that the value of the indexes fall if Tesla stock falls as well. When it comes to the argument that Bitcoin price fell, so Tesla's price fell with it, that's not really the best argument to make. Only about 8% of Tesla's cash is even in Bitcoin. And that's just Tesla's cash. That's not even the market cap of the company. So 20% decline in Bitcoin's price doesn't really constitute a 13% decline in Tesla's stock. The one catalyst that I think people are overlooking is what happened last week with Workhorse. And basically, if you didn't hear about it, I'll just summarize it really quickly. So basically, the United States Postal Service has solicited a contract looking for a vendor to be able to provide them with a 100% clean energy fleet. So a lot of people in the markets thought that Workhorse was going to be the company that would receive the contract. And the reason for this was because Workhorse was one of the leaders in commercial commercial EVs. But basically what ended up happening was that USPS went with a different contractor named Oshkosh, and that contractor didn't promise a full fleet of electric vehicles. They promised a mix of electric vehicles and some more fuel-efficient gas vehicles. I think because of what we saw happen with USPS, that caused the whole market to not feel so bullish about electric vehicles and their future. Now, I think there still is a good chance that electric vehicles will dominate the road day in the near future. But definitely what we saw happen with USPS doesn't give people confidence that that even the government is willing to spend money on making a completely clean fleet. And I think that is the reason why not only Tesla, but also we saw NIO stock as well fall by quite a bit last week. And I think that's the actual reason why. Does what happened with USPS actually change my beliefs on EVs? Not really. My conviction on EV stocks are still the same, and I still plan to keep investing in the various different EV companies. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I encourage you to hit the like button. It greatly helps out the channel. It helps push this video out to as many people as possible. Also, while you're down there, leave a comment if you have any thoughts on the reason why the EV stocks fell so much last week. Also, follow me on all the social medias. I try to post there every day. And thank you for watching. Until next time.